All right, guys, so this is another video for today, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Astra Pro. As you can see right now, we've installed Astra on our WordPress website using TasteWP. So the next thing we're going to do now is going to head over to the plugin section, and we're going to upload the plugin that we have. So I'm going to click upload. Then I'm going to upload. So we're just going to give it some time, and you can see here. So I'm going to click activate plugin. So now set templates, so and so. So this, what you just have to do now is you click activate. You can see license is activated. Just like I said earlier on, license activated. Power generation, we generate assets. So all you just have to do now is come over to welcome, scroll down, then just click activate all. You can see that your Astra Pro is working perfectly fine. You can see your Astra Pro is working perfectly fine. Look at it, just like I said earlier on. So let's go to starter template, install and activate. It's activated. So now just going to build with Elementor. We're going to dismiss this. Then so let's go back. Let's go back to Astra. Okay, let's go back to plugins rather. All right. So now go over to this place. We click on starter template again. Build the template, Elementor. As you can see over here, this is not available, but we click get access. It's going to take us to this place. So what the first this plugin does basically is to activate the add-on. Yes, the add-on is what is activating. But we want to activate the premium theme that comes with it. If you want to activate the premium theme that comes with it, feel free to reach out to me. I will show you how to do that. I'll show you how to do that. But for now, this is what's available. And if you have any question, please feel free to let me know. Drop comments in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my video and make sure you like the video. So, like I said, add-on, come over to customize. You can see here, I'm going back. So I'm going to click on Astra. And you can see that the add-on models are activated. So this is the main thing we are trying to focus on, this particular feature, add-on models. So in our next video, I'm going to address how to do something very unique with WordPress. So don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like my video.